square root of 625. There are other numbers to find the square root of, for the record. This is not the only square that exists in the world. All right, so let's take a second. Let's remember, what is that binomial formula that we learned when we were doing our squaring? We said a plus b squared equals, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. All right, so we're going to use that to find the square root of 625. So we're just going to write it down again. Now up above this, on the line above, I always write A and I write B. And then I put a vertical line here. All right, so let's start by building our problem. 625. 2, 4, 6. 2 tens. 5 units. All right, so we always start by building the biggest square. 1, a 2 by 2. I only have 2 beads left, so that's as many as I can do. So we are thinking that A is going to be 2, right? That's what we're guessing. So the first part of our equation is A squared. And so we're going to write down A squared equals 2 squared equals 4. So in the hundreds place, I'm going to write a 4. And then underneath my A, I'm going to write 2 because we think it's 2. Again, pencil really important because sometimes we get to it and we're like, oh wait, that isn't right. All right, then I'm going to draw a line across like this. Right now it doesn't matter because we only have, like, our first term is hundreds, our second term is tens, and our third term is units. When we get to a trinomial, we have 10,000s, then our 10,000s, our thousands is one term. Our hundreds, we have 2bc plus b squared, right? So we have a few things. We'll do one together. So don't overthink that yet, but that's why I do that line all the way across. Then we're gonna subtract. So what's 6 minus 4? 2. I have 2 beads left. Bringing it back. All right, 100 is the same as 10 tens. 10. 100 is the same as 10 tens. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we are going to keep on building. And I build them both at the same time because they're both the same shape. I have that back out. They're both the same shape. And before I went ahead and did this, I'm not going to do it right now. I could. Maybe at the end we'll decide that we wished I had done that, but for right now we're going to go ahead this way. Because right now we're really focused on the tens place. And I only have 2 beads left, so I can't keep sharing. So at this point, we think B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're not sure. We think it might be 5. Now the second part of our equation is 2AB. So I'm going to write that down right here. And I forgot we needed to bring down the 2. Because we put those in our tens thing and we had 22 beads in there, so I should have done that earlier. All right, so 2AB equals, the 2 is just a 2. We think A is 2 times B, which we think is 5. So 2 times 2 is
4.
4 times 5 is
20.
20. So we're going to write down 20 right here. We'll subtract. Bring that line all the way across. 22 minus 20 is 2. There are 2 beads left. Bring down the 5. Bring down the 5. All right, so now we have 25. We have 25 here. We're going to make an exchange. So 110 is the same as 10. 110 is the same as 10 ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Next one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Nope.
Stop.
10 units. Yeah. 2, 4, 6. And then I would have had to dig all those blue ones out of this cup, and I would have been cursing myself. All right, now we're going to keep on building. All right, the root is what is on the bottom. We have 25. Let's finish up our math over here. The third piece of our equation is b squared. We said we think that b is 5. So everywhere it says b, we're going to write 5. 5 squared equals 25. We're going to place that right here. 25 minus 25 is 0. There's nothing left here. So the square root of 625 equals 25.